I look like a fine boy. I look like a fine boy, but I'm a girl. I am a girl. Okay? Okay, let's prep our skin for makeup. There are three simple steps to prepare your face for makeup if you have an oily skin. The first is to cleanse your face, second is to hydrate, and the third is to mattify your face. Now for cleansing, I do see people use face wipes, baby wipes, and micellar water. And most of these people are not even makeup artists. You're in your house, you're doing your makeup yourself. You don't need to use a micellar water or face wipe if you've already washed your face. Please just wash your face properly. Wash your face properly, and that is all the cleansing you need to do. The only time you may want to use a face wipe or micellar water is if you probably, showered earlier in the day, but you are doing your makeup later on. Then yes, you can use a micellar water to just clean it. But if you just showered, you wash your face properly, then you are just using micellar water and face wipe because you see other people using it. I'm here to tell you it is not necessary. Wash your face properly, and that is all the cleaning your face needs. Now for hydration. There are three things I do when hydrating my face or my makeup. But first, we need to moisturize and hydrate our lips. I'm using this one. NK Makeup is very popular. You should know it. You should see it in a lot of stores. I already have a lip balm on, but extra moisture on the lips never hurt nobody. There we go. And as I said, my face is properly cleansed already. I washed my face very well. So I'll be going in with my toner. If you have a rose water is an affordable toner that anybody can use. But I will not be using a rose water today because I have my Dr. Rachel hyaluronic toner. First in my hand. Everybody should own a little fan. Just use it to dry my face. The next way I hydrate my face is to apply my serum. So this one is completely optional. Any serum that you have, you can use. If you do not want to use a serum, it's also fine. But today I'll be using this face fat serum. Is the caffeine serum because you can see how tired my face is. I need a little pick me up on my face. 2 pumps of this. So that has dried down. If you can hear anything, that is my fan. I need it. Thank you. So the next will be to moisturize. Now I'll first use my eye cream. If you don't have an eye cream, you can use Vaseline under your eyes, but I feel like your eye needs extra moisture, especially my own. You can see how exhausted I look. So this is the face fat ceramide moisture barrier moisturizing cream with SPF 30. And because it is a moisturizing cream and an SPF in one, that is why I use it. So I don't need any extra sunscreen with this. So you can see what I'm saying about the white cast. That's why I feel like they're just testing the water with this particular product when it comes to making sunscreen. So they can work on the white cast even though it's time to fade off. While we are waiting for the skin products to settle in, I just thought I should give you some extra tips on prepping your face for makeup. But the first thing I will advise you to do is carve your brows. You need to clean up your brows because it will make the face well, or your makeup look put together and well defined. Another tip I will give you when it comes to skin prep is to incorporate exfoliation into your regular skincare routine. Apart from other benefits that exfoliation will do, when it comes to makeup, it will help your foundation and other makeup as well sink into your skin properly for it to look good and like skin. So exfoliating your skin actually helps you makeup wise as well. And then for people with oily skin, I will advise you to start using a clay mask. Clay mask will go a long way in sebum and oil control for you. So you can always do your clay mask maybe a night before or on the day of the makeup application for oil control and all. If you cannot get your hands on an already made clay mask, although there are various clay masks out there, if you go to a skincare store, just go to get Ulo. It's like a local clay. I'd have told you to buy Unzo, but Unzo has extra stuff. But if you pound Ulo very well and then you pound charcoal with it, oh, it will help you for that oil control and drawing out impurities. Our skin products has already settled in. The white cast, if I can put it that way, from the moisturizer is no longer that visible. So I'll be, as I said, the third step will be to mattify our face, and for that, my primer. So you can get any primer of your choice that mattifies your face, but the one I'll be using today is from Classic. So yeah, just put it on the tip of my finger and I'll press it into my T-zone area. If you feel like your skin is extremely oily, then you can go in with a sweat block. Various brands have their own sweat block. This one is from Zickel. This one is from Zickel Cosmetics. So you can go in with a sweat block. What you do is, after you applied your mattifier, you pour the sweat block on a cotton pad like this, a round pad like this, pour it and then dab it lightly only on areas that you feel are extremely oily. And that is the quick and easy way you can prep your skin for personal makeup application. Leave the extra hydration to the pros. They know how to blend all that skincare products and still apply the makeup. But you as a beginner, you just need these simple steps. Okay? Don't go and be buying Cosrx, snail mucin, snail cream, embryollis moisturizer, all those. Keep it simple. Leave Uno road for Uno road. You are a beginner, start small. By the time you become a professional, you can apply all the hydration, or hydrating product on your face and still apply your foundation, and it should go well. But for now, you don't want to roughen anything. Just do these simple steps and you'll be good to go when prepping your skin for personal makeup. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.